Hey everybody, welcome back to the Cookhouse. This is your Uncle Bud here. Now we got something unique for you today. Is I'm on vacation down at the beach, but that doesn't stop me from bringing y'all something good today. And I've got a lot of people here, and we're cooking a bunch of good food. We got some ribs out on the smoker, but we got some sides we're doing. Today we're doing a sweet pea salad. It's pretty simple, it's pretty tasty. So let's get started with it. So here I got 4 15-ounce cans of sweet peas. I've drained them and washed them off to get rid of excess salt. Don't cook them. If you're using peas from the freezer, that's fine too. Use about 30 ounces, like 60 ounces worth, and just let them defrost in the refrigerator. So, got our peas. We're going to start with some sweet relish. Probably, it's about a 1/4 cup. That's about 1 cup. We got 3 stalks of celery that I've cut up, small bite-sized pieces. 3 large, extra large boiled eggs cut up. We're going to do a little Dijon mustard. That's about a 1/4 cup. Don't want too much, it's just to add a little flavor. I got some good mayonnaise. We're going to start with about, it's a cup there. Now I like to stir because the peas are tender. I like to use my hand and gently fold this all together. Don't want to mash the peas up. And once you put this in the fridge to let all the flavors meld, the peas will firm up a little bit as they get very cold. And that'll add to this not just being a mushy dish. It's vacation, folks. I hope y'all are enjoying yours. If you're on one, if you can get out. If not, go outside and enjoy some sunshine. That's the important thing, just to relax. Let a little bit of the worries of the world wash off your shoulders. You can see how it's coming together nicely there. I think I need a little more mayonnaise. Not much. Not supposed to be overly done. That's pretty good. Take my glove off here. So I got a little black pepper. I got a little salt. And then we're going to have a taste. As all the plasticware falls over. But that's alright. Let's see here. That's pretty good right there. I'm going to put this in the fridge. I hope y'all try this. I'm going back to vacation now. I'll see y'all next week.